More music equipment stolen from a small town church, and we hear this way too often. This time it was just 2 nights ago, a small church in rural Missouri. Individuals wearing masks broke in and stole music equipment and instruments, and you can see the video images here of these thieves. This church has surveillance video, but what else can we do? First, we can create a room or a closet with a strong lock and stow our equipment away. You know, and nobody likes to do that or take things home. But it's a little more reliable than just leaving them on the stage week after week after week. Next, to help with getting our gear back, should it be stolen, and maybe even arresting the thieves through the police, look at the tracker industry. There are several reliable electronic tracking devices that we could hide in or on our instruments so we can alert the cops where the instruments are for recovery. Check out Apple's AirTags, and then there's the Tile device and many others.